In this recording, I want to just give a quick overview of how RiskOrganizer supports ongoing management. So largely focused on a project manager or somebody in the project management team. Once a risk workshop has been undertaken, there are basically two components to managing risk: identifying new risks, which are put in the manage screen, which is in a separate video, and reporting for ongoing management of treatments. When you go to the Reports tab, the initial filter page comes up, and because we're basically dealing with one project, select the project and apply that filter. That moves to three tabs: ongoing management, risk and status analysis. We're just looking at ongoing management in this video. As before, this is slightly different layouts now. You can filter the RBS, filter against current analysis. You can undertake treatments by responsible person and the status of the treatments. And there's our standard list of reports. In ongoing management, two reports areas are normally used. One is the risk treatment priority report. This shows where treatments have been identified that will benefit more than one risk. So in this case, we've got 5 risks will benefit from this treatment, 4 risks will benefit from this treatment, etc. By focusing on treatments with the greatest number of risks, obviously will give a better return on effort. The second component is to assist those who are responsible for undertaking treatments and proactively manage that situation. So you can filter reports with upcoming as opposed to completed overdue, but upcoming ones. And we might look at 4 weeks ahead, and then the commitment by a responsible person. And you can see here, Kevin Helling's got 3 treatments due, 3 days, 11 days, 25 days out. So you can sit down with that individual and work through those treatments and update accordingly. So as before, you can download that report as well as view it on screen, and you can send it in an email to the responsible person and ask them for feedback. And that in large part is all there is to ongoing management of risks in terms of process. I look forward to meeting you in the next video.